viewers, hope you are enjoying good health. We are here with the Dawn Editorials. We will highlight the difficult words, we will highlight the idioms, and we will also highlight the capitals of different countries. We will also highlight the facts and figures and quotations for the essay purpose. So let's go. First difficult word is mending. That means things to be repaired. If the US is serious about mending fences with Iran, then firing missiles at fighters allied with Tehran in Syria may not be the best way to go about it. President Joe Biden is the president of America. They have attacked the loyal militias to Iran that were killed, and Damascus named it American aggression while the Pentagon named it a message. But America needs to proceed with caution and prevent any sort of escalation, with both sides required to exhibit restraint. Here, meanwhile, in between the double commas and therefore are discourse markers, and peril is a difficult word that means risk or danger. Second editorial is about LNG deal that Pakistan has clinched with Qatar. Clinch means confirm or secure. Qatar will provide an additional 200 mm CFD at around 10.2% of Brent for 10 years starting next year. The expected reduction in port charges by Doha would further push down the price to 10.13% of Brent. Entails mean involve or conclude at the lowest ever publicly disclosed price. The new price is also 15% to 16% less than the average spot purchase of 11.9% of Brent in 2020. Islamabad also has the option to shift its summer demand to winter without any change in agreed gas. Snag means obstacle or hurdle. The authorities are unable to bridge the supply gap, which is estimated to grow 3.6 BCFD in next 5 years and 5.39 BCFD in 10 years. At the same time, the two public sector gas companies have together accumulated a debt of 550 to 600 billion rupees owing to their inability to recover costs, massive subsidies given to powerful industrial lobbies, exceptional high system losses and theft. If we do not start the process of gas market liberalization by finalizing the third-party access rulers and inter-user agreement, winter shortage next year may worsen. These are the suggestions that are given to improve the gas supply and demand. Next editorial is about Sri Lanka cremations. Cremation is burning a dead body after death. This order was implemented after the corona and turned a deaf ear means to ignore the complaints. Prime Minister Imran Khan spoke to Sri Lankan President and Prime Minister on this matter during his recent visit and urged them to respect the sentiments of Muslims and let them bury their dead bodies. Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. Amicably means in a friendly manner. This is all about today's Dawn editorial. You can download the PDF version from the link given below. Thank you so much.